Hello, I'm Forrest Mahan, President of Aiken Technical College, and I welcome you to another edition of Mondays with Mahan. This is the final week that Aiken Technical College will be open prior to our 2-week Christmas break. For students who have completed the fall term and are ready to proceed to spring, you have this week to go ahead and confirm your schedule for spring and also make sure that you have completed your registration. If you've already been advised, you may simply need to go online and click a button to complete your registration. But if you have not seen your advisor, this would be the week to touch base with them and go ahead and finalize your schedule. If you're a potential new student for spring, this week is also a good time for you to come in, complete your admissions paperwork, make sure your FAFSA form has been completed, and then also go ahead and set your schedule for the spring term, which will begin on Monday, January the 11th. Now, over the course of the 2-week break, if you would like to proceed with anything dealing with registration, you may do so online. We will be closed from Monday, December 21st through Friday, January 1st, and will resume operations on Monday, January 4th, 2021. Also, as we wrap up the 2020 year, we are also preparing for the final push for any giving that you may like to do to the Aiken Technical College Foundation. There are a lot of benefits in year-end giving. You may also use this as a tax incentive and also allow the credit to be applied towards any generous contribution you make to the college. It's very simple to give to the Aiken Technical College Foundation. Simply go to atc.edu and click on the Give button, and there are very easy to follow directions to allow for you to make an online contribution. As we wrap up 2020, I want to thank everybody for your continued support of Aiken Technical College during this course of the year. We look forward to seeing you in 2021. Thank you.